The European Union is to sign a deal with the manufacturers of the German-American coronavirus vaccine that has reported a 90% success rate. The agreement with Pfizer and BioNTech for 300 million doses follows similar agreements with other vaccine manufacturers, including AstraZeneca and Johnson & Johnson. It is hoped that the vaccine will be ready to distribute within weeks once final clinical tests are completed and regulatory approval gained. Effie Kotsakosta reports for us from Brussels.
The EU will sign a contract Wednesday for up to 300 million doses of the COVID-19 vaccine being developed by pharmaceutical companies Pfizer and BioNTech. The announcement comes after it was revealed Monday that their vaccine was more than 90% effective in experimental trials. The bloc has already signed deals with AstraZeneca, Sanofi and Johnson & Johnson for their potential COVID-19 shots.
We hope to have a portfolio of up to 6 vaccine candidates. So as you can understand, on the amounts, on the number of vaccines that will be available within the EU will very much depend on how many successful candidates we have. If all goes well, and it may be that we have more than one safe and effective vaccine, if all goes well, and of course this is pending authorization by the European Medicines Agency, we would expect that we possibly could have the first vaccines available possibly end of 2020, beginning of 2021.
There are countries, however, such as Hungary, that are openly in contact with Russia and China to get access to their vaccines, which are issued under lower standards than European ones. Is this a blow to the EU strategy? The Commissioner is saying categorically no.
Under certain conditions, extraordinary conditions, they are able to to proceed with this way without having a European Medicines Agency authorization. But I will say that any issues afterwards, any liability are for that member state. For ourselves, the only medicines and therapeutics and medical devices which are authorized are those which have been approved and assessed in terms of their efficacy and safety by the European Medicines Agency.
Effie Kotsakosta, Euronews, Brussels.